Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs2 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your dialer and go to your contacts. I'll show you two different ways of blocking the number. So here in your contacts, find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. And now tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the option block contact, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we will immediately have this information under the name of our contact, which means that we just successfully blocked that number, in my case Fred. Of course we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on a remove from block list, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist we have to go to the phone, to the dialer, and then tap on this 4 dots icon here. Now let's tap on blocked, and we will enter the call block rules and message block rules. So before entering the blacklist you can customize them. You don't have to, but you can. So for example, you can set the call block rules, like you can block all incoming calls, unknown numbers or private withheld numbers, or you can manage the message block rules, but we've got also only the unknown numbers. Then let's tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. So let's tap, that's the trust list, tap on block list, and as you can see we've got our number from our contacts, which means that previous option works and we successfully blocked the number. We've got also the information about the blocked calls and messages. Here you've got this plus icon, so we can tap on it. And we've got much more options to choose from, so we can add the number from messages, call logs, contacts again, prefix, or add manually. So for example, we can simply tap on it and enter the name manually, so you do not have to have it saved on your contacts. Tap on OK and it will be immediately applied. The same, so for example, from call logs, you can just enter all of the call logs, mark the number which you wish to block, and then tap on add, and it will be immediately applied. If you wish to unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it, and now you can mark those which you wish to remove from the blacklist. I will remove all of them, so mark all and tap on remove. Tap on remove and the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.